Welcome to Quiz 347, the ultimate challenge for true tech minds. Today's quiz is all about information technology, and trust me, only the sharpest brains can survive till the end. You'll face 50 tricky questions that will test your logic, speed, and knowledge. Before we begin, make sure to like this video, share it with your friends, and comment your score at the end. And don't forget to subscribe to Quiz 347 for more mind-blasting quizzes every day. Now, are you ready? Let's begin! Ready for the ultimate IT challenge? Let's begin! Which layer of the OSI model handles encryption? Focus, this one is tricky. What does acid A stand for? Only experts get this right. Which scheduling algorithm may cause starvation? Stay sharp, it's getting harder. What is the time complexity of binary search? Think fast. Which protocol is used for secure web browsing? Great start, keep going. Which normal form removes transitive dependency? Don't lose your focus now. Which data structure follows LIFO? Easy or tricky? Which command removes all rows but keeps table? Be careful here. Which IP class has the largest range? Only 1% know this. Which is not a NoSQL database? You're doing great. Halfway there. Can you survive? Which protocol is connectionless? Stay locked in. What is the main function of DNS? Think before you answer. Which sorting is fastest on average? Speed matters. Which memory is volatile? Don't blink. Which is a symmetric encryption? This one is confusing. Which layer handles routing? Network experts only. Which HTTP code means not found? Simple, or is it? Which attack floods a server? Stay focused. Which key decrypts data? Security level rising. Which database uses tables? You're doing amazing! Final round, don't give up now. Which is not an operating system? Almost there. Which command creates a table? Keep pushing. Which topology has single failure? Careful. Which cloud model is fully managed? Think smart. Which device connects networks? Last stretch. Bonus round. Only legends continue. Which is not a programming paradigm? Which protocol sends emails? Which algorithm is used in blockchain? Which file system is used by Windows? Which concept ensures data privacy? You made it this far. Impressive. Which unit performs calculations in CPU? Which unit controls instructions? Which is primary memory? Which is secondary storage? Which HTML tag creates links? Final 10. Can you handle the pressure? Which CSS property sets text color? Which keyword declares variable in JavaScript? Which is the latest IP version? Which is an open source OS? Which is an input device? Last questions, don't miss now. Which is an output device? What does a compiler do? What does URL stand for? What is malicious software called? Which is a cloud storage service? Final countdown begins! What is the purpose of a firewall? What does AI stand for? Which tool is used for big data? What does an operating system manage? Which is a local area network? That was intense. That was intense! How many questions did you get right? Drop your score in the comments. I'd love to see who's a true tech master. If you enjoyed this quiz, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Quiz 347 for more challenging and fun quizzes. Turn on notifications so you never miss the next challenge. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing,